A spacious brick-built 5-bedroom Edwardian end-of-terrace residence with 2-bedroom coach house situated within easy reach of public transport, schools and the town centre. The property is in good condition throughout and has been tastefully modernised to retain many of its original features such as fireplaces, picture rails, coving and stripped wooden doors. It has gas-fired central heating, some double glazing and modern fittings to both the kitchen and bathroom. There is a most pleasant rear garden, later lawn and flower beds, plus a rebuilt coach house, which is a 2-bedroom dwelling, ideal for the accommodating family and friends. To the front of the property is an area for parking for 2 to 3 cars. There is an outside toilet and lighting and a greenhouse, kitchen garden area, double gates to the front. A wrought iron gate leads through to the rear of the garden with feature stone walling where there is parking area laid in chippings.